I've recently seen so many people on YouTube who are claiming that they make over $100 per day by creating affiliate marketing pins on Pinterest. Now, I've been following this side hustle for quite some time now, and I've seen all kinds of ways that people have been generating income through their Pinterest boards. Anything from posting regular photo pins to leading audience to their blog post, posting viral TikToks, and as of recently, I've also seen people utilizing AI to drive traffic to their Pinterest boards. And it seems like the results have been pretty mixed so far, from some people claiming they made thousands of dollars to a lot of people also saying that they didn't make anything at all. Now, in today's video, I want to try this new method which involves using AI to create product videos and posting them on Pinterest. And as always, we're going to do this together today and see if we're going to get better results than just posting photo pins, because if you guys have been following me, you probably know I've tried that and I didn't quite get rich. All right, let's start with step number 1, which is selecting your affiliate products. As we all know, selecting the right product is super crucial because you definitely want to find something that is going to be very popular, a lot of people are going to be interested in, and you also want to find a good affiliate program that is going to be worth your time. To get started in this step, we're going to go to Pinterest Trends right here, just so that we can see what it is that people are currently searching. And I'm filming this in mid-November, so it does make sense that a lot of Christmas related pins are currently taking off. So as you can see, Christmas wallpaper, Christmas nails, and just based on the numbers, it looks like Christmas decor ideas is the top growing trend right now. But obviously Christmas decor is a pretty broad niche, so I kind of want us to niche down a little bit. And in order to do that, we're going to go to SEMrush, which is my favorite keyword research tool, and we're going to go to keyword overview. And what I'm going to do is type in Christmas decor ideas and see if we can find ways to niche down. So it looks like one of the top variations right now is the Christmas tree decorating ideas. And some of the top questions that people are currently asking online is how to decorate a Christmas tree. So why don't we go with this niche? All right, step number 2, we're going to generate affiliate links. So the easiest place to start with affiliate marketing is always going to be Amazon Associates program, since it is the easiest one to join and get approved for. And I feel like everyone in the mother shops on Amazon anyways, so it's not going to be hard to convince people to go and make purchases from Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and search Christmas decorations, and we're going to sort by bestsellers because those are the products that have historically performed super well. People already like them and people have purchased them in the past, so those products are pretty much validated. And one of the top bestsellers that I found is this crystal Christmas ornament for trees, so let's go ahead and go with this one. All right, step number 3, which is the most exciting one, let's go ahead and start creating those AI generated videos. So the tool that I recently discovered is called Verbo by Wondershare, and it has a lot of really interesting tools that can be very helpful for marketers and content creators. Okay, so let's go to Verbo and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. So as I mentioned, Verbo has a ton of very helpful features that are really going to elevate your content creation process and make it so much faster and more efficient. But the feature that I want to start with today is going to be the URL to video. Like, this has to be the AI feature that I've been most excited to try this year. All right, so we're gonna go to the workspace. So as you see, literally all you need to do is to drop your product listing and Verbo will generate the video content for you automatically. So you can use links from Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and there are some others as well, but these are probably going to be the easiest ones to do. All right, so let's do this. We're going to go ahead and copy and paste this link into here and click analyze. So pretty much what Verbo is going to do is it's going to import all the images from the listing and turn them into a video slideshow with an AI voiceover. You can add additional media as well if you want to, or you can just go with the auto-populated option. And so Verbo will also automatically populate some of the additional info, or you can also go to the listing and then copy and paste the description, because whoever created that listing already put a lot of thought and SEO into the listing. But I'm personally pretty happy with the auto-populated version, so I'm going to stick with it. Now you can also select the ratio depending on whether you want a vertical, horizontal, or a square video. Then you can also pick a language, and they actually have quite a few languages here. I'm just going to go with English for now. And you also have an option to do an AI avatar plus the voiceover or just the AI voiceover. So I'm going to select the AI avatar and voiceover right here just so that you guys can see what it's going to look like. Now finally, in terms of the duration, so you can go up to 2 minutes, but Honestly, I do feel like right now with how like short everybody's attention span is, the shorter the better. So I actually want to go with 15 seconds here. All right, and let's go ahead and generate this video.
A few moments later.
It actually only took like less than 10 seconds, which is pretty impressive. All right, cool. So we're going to look at some of the rough versions right here. As we all know, AI gets it pretty well, but once in a while we still have to make some of the changes ourselves. By the way, something you guys need to know is that once you have the avatar over here, until you export the video, the avatar is not really going to be moving, so just keep that in mind.
Transform your tree into a winter wonderland with stunning crystal snowflake ornaments. Gather your loved ones and watch joy fill the room as you decorate together.
Okay, this is not terrible, but I kind of want it to be a little bit more fast-paced. Just like with any AI-generated content, we want to do a few like editing touches. So over here, you can pick a lot of different things. So for example, we can pick the actual avatar. You can pick by recommended, female, male, marketing, news, education, lifestyle, occupation. So I kind of want to find someone dressed more casually, maybe even in a sweater. Okay, I didn't quite find anyone in a sweater, but I kind of like this avatar. She's smiling, she looks sweet, so let's pick her. And then we can also pick the voiceover with different accents as well, which is kind of cool. Oh, and also you can pick like music and everything. Okay, how about we do like a festive music right here?
Bring elegance and charm to your Christmas celebrations with our dazzling snowflake ornaments.
So I'm noticing there are not that many images, so I'm actually gonna go and add a few more from the listing. So I just rearranged a few things a little bit just to make it more fast-paced. So let's see how this comes out.
Bring elegance and charm to your Christmas celebrations with our dazzling snowflake ornaments. Enjoy the magical moments of family togetherness while decorating your festive tree. Our crystal chandelier will illuminate your holiday spirit, making every candlelight shimmer. Enjoy the magical moments of family togetherness.
Okay, I actually kind of like this. I thought this was pretty cute. And I thought that the avatar looked pretty natural. And once again, you do have an option to either keep the AI avatar here or just remove your avatar altogether. And by the way, if you are an Amazon FBA seller, just like myself, you can probably tell that this can also be a great way to create video ads for your listing, which can also reduce your marketing expenses. Now, if you want something a little bit more visually appealing, they also have a lot of templates, both for vertical and horizontal videos. And you are able to customize the background if you just want to include your product photo in there. And similarly to what we just did, you can also customize the avatar, the music, voice, text, and whatever you need to create a visually appealing video. So let me know what you guys thought of Vrbo. They actually kindly partnered with me in this video, so if you want to test them out, make sure to use my link down below. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a bunch of these videos and we're going to go ahead and post them on my Pinterest account. Now let's talk about why Pinterest is a great platform for you to generate affiliate income from. So the main reason is that Pinterest is the world's biggest visual search engine and people are constantly going there to get ideas and inspirations, and specifically many people are going on Pinterest to get some ideas so that they can make a purchase. And this is why if you pick a niche that is, all about the visual appeal, such as decorations, or as you guys know in the past, I've done a lot of like furniture and travel types of products or jewelry, you can potentially convert a lot of those viewers, so people who are searching for ideas, into your potential customers. Another thing that I really like about Pinterest is that in some ways it is pretty similar to YouTube, which means that the content that you create on Pinterest pretty much just lives on there forever, because it's all about search. So here I can show you that some of the pins that I created like months and months ago are still getting views and impressions, and my affiliate links are still getting clicks. So pretty much by creating a lot of these pins, you can create digital assets that are going to continue generating revenue for you in the future. All right, now that I have uploaded all of these videos, let's keep our fingers crossed and let's hope that we're going to start generating some sales, and these videos are going to help us catch some viewers' attention. I know that a lot of you guys have been wanting me to create a part 2 of my I tried Pinterest affiliate marketing for 90 days video, and I promise you guys I'm still working on it. I just want to make sure that we get it to the point where I have some cool results to show you. So I'm still working on it and it's coming, I promise you. So just stay tuned and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that video. Once again, don't forget to check out Vrbo using my link down below, because they are running many amazing Black Friday deals right now. You can get up to 30% off of all the Wondershare software, aka can help you to generate some awesome passive income online. And also don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. And also if you like this video, I think you're going to like this one as well. So go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.